How to restore Instagram deleted photos. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can restore Instagram deleted photos and even videos. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is of course open up your Insta. Now for this video purpose, let me just delete this this photo. If I scroll down there, I'll see the delete option, tap on delete, and there we go, it's deleting. And after it deletes, what you can do is you can refresh your feed and there you can see it has been deleted. Now to restore that very photo, head over to the burger icon on the top right and you are now on settings and activity. After you do that, what you can do is you can simply scroll down and you can search for a setting called your activity. If you don't find it here, you can just head back here again, and if you let me go back there again, it's right there. There you see your activity, it's on the top. And after you're on your activity, you can simply scroll down and you'll find removed and archived content. There you will see recently deleted. Tap on it and you'll find that photo right there. Now you can recover it. You can simply open the video or photo that you want to recover, tap on it, and on the top right you will see the loop icon. If you tap on it, it should start recovering that very photo. So you can do that as well. Oh sorry, that was the restore option, but that didn't work. So if that doesn't work, tap on the three dots here and then tap on restore from here and then tap on restore. It's the same thing, you can use whichever works for you, and it should start restoring. And there we go. If I go back to my feed now and if I refresh this, there you can see the photo has been restored. And that is how you can restore Instagram deleted photos, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.